In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your eBay purchase history with ease. Whether you're trying to track a recent order or revisit some past purchases, knowing how to navigate eBay's interface can be of great help. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to log into your eBay account. Simply open your web browser and type in ebay.com. Once the homepage has loaded, you will see the sign in option in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and then you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you have them saved, this step should be particularly quick. Remember, keeping your password private and secure is essential for protecting your account. Once you're logged in, your next step is to locate your purchase history. Move your cursor over to My eBay, which you'll find at the top right of the page, close to where you logged in. With one simple click on My eBay, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Purchase History. This tab will take you straight to a detailed overview of all your past transactions. When you land on your Purchase History page, you'll see a display of all the items you've purchased. eBay offers a convenient layout here, showing not only the list of items, but also including order dates, current statuses, and additional details for each purchase. This is particularly helpful if you're monitoring a delivery's progress or need to verify a transaction. The information is clearly presented, making it easy to navigate and find the specific details you might be looking for. If a particular order catches your eye or you need more information, simply click on the item. This will take you to a more detailed view of the order, where you can see everything from the seller's details to tracking information and even your receipt. This section is extremely useful, especially if you need to contact the seller regarding the item or if you are planning to leave feedback based on your experience. Navigating through your eBay purchase history is a straightforward process that can provide you with all the details you need about your previous online shopping experiences. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your purchases efficiently and effectively. You can repeat these simple steps anytime you need to verify or manage your orders. Remember, being organized with your purchases saves you time and helps you stay on top of your transactions.